Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by A&K. In today's video, we're going to talk about interior design color trends. The latest interior design trends all point to the same thing. We are increasingly moving towards more color in our interiors. Color has a significant impact on our mood and well-being, and we want more energy, more joy, and more peace in our homes. One of the most noticeable things about the color trends is that we are moving towards more and more dramatic colors in our homes. Colors that bring life to our homes and break the neutral tone and tone decor we've had for a few years now. Whether you're looking for color inspiration to help you repaint or just want to bring more color into your interior with the help of charming interior details, these are the color trends to keep an eye on. So let's get started. One of this year's strongest colors in the interior color trends is a highly saturated red. We often associate red with energy, power, and strong emotions, which is exactly what we want to bring into our interiors. For the brave, there are beautiful shades of red to repaint the walls, but for most of us, we can bring in this color with the help of smaller interior details such as lighting and even furniture. Different shades of blue stand strong in the interior color trends for this year. We see everything from sky blue to cobalt to an intense clean blue shade. If red arouses emotions, blue calms us. Blue and red are therefore contrasting colors, both in terms of where they stand on the color wheel and also how they make us feel. It is precisely these contrasts that lead the way among the interior color trends and the interior design we choose. So feel free to decorate with these two colors together. Various shades of pink have been making a big comeback among the interior color trends in recent years. Everything from last year's magenta to a softer powder pink this year, preferably with a hint of black to make it somewhat dustier. A classic pastel pink is still going strong as well, especially around springtime. Opposite to last year's vibrant Viva Magenta, Pantone named Peach Fuzz the color of the year, a softer color, encapsulating our desire for self-care and togetherness. It's a gentle and subtle shade, perfect for those of us who wish to incorporate more color in our homes, but are not as daring as to go for more vibrant colors. Give this year an energy boost with a pop of strong orange. This cheerful and warm color is one of the main accent colors we see in color trends, and if you really want to be cutting edge, combine it with pink. Perfect for the smaller details and textiles, orange is a color that will really stand out. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Warm sunset tones of yellow and amber will be making an appearance in our homes. Many of the yellow shades we see have been picked up from the retro trend that has made an ever-increasing comeback, and from which we continue to draw a lot of inspiration. Yellow tones bring irresistible warmth to the home, and just like shade of orange, they provide much needed energy and joy, something we are more than happy to embrace. Another interior color trend that you should definitely look out for is green, and more specifically a gaming green. Green is a color that represents life and transports our thoughts to those of health and happiness. It is therefore natural that we would like to surround ourselves with this color. Feel free to sneak this vibrant shade into your home with the help of furniture if you dare. Or why not invest in a stylish lamp like the flower pot in signal green. Different shades of neon are also taking up more and more space in our interiors. Much of these come from influences from the virtual world and are used to add a pop of energy into the decor. Lavender, pink, yellow, and above all mint are the representing colors of this trend. Combine these playful shades to bring life into your home. We've seen a lot of purple, especially lavender and lilac in recent years, but the color remains strong. The lighter tones of purple are the most dominant, inspired by summer's blooming lilacs and fragrant lavender. But dark purple and shades of purple also appear on the color chart, a luxurious tone with a touch of mystery and royal splendor. The fresh, cooler tones of purple are easy to incorporate into the home and go well with both lighter and darker bases, while the darker versions are particularly good in the form of a statement piece. For contrast and flair, metals such as chrome, silver, gold, or metallic are something we've seen a lot. Metals can be shiny or matte and can be seen in various forms of details, but also in furniture and lighting. Decorating with metals in unexpected places will give our homes a sense of luxury, but keep it to details. A lamp, a vase or a candle holder will give you just the right amount of metallic into the home. For those of you who are longing for more neutral colors, we are pleased to say that the earthy tones will remain among the interior color trends. Shades of brown, less intense shades of green, think nuances of khaki, as well as sandy shades of beige are the most prominent colors to place your bets on. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.